is. There he is. Zoom in. There he is.
Hear that? I'm just like, you don't hear before it gets too heavy. Oh yeah. There's like 8 ounces on there either way.
Rabbits around here. God, there's a ton down the road. No. Okay, so well, I didn't want to get my fingers in there. You got a decent one too. I don't know what it is. Oh yeah.
Get the net. Get the net.
You need the net?
Yeah.
Better be safe than sorry.
No, it's a pike.
Oh, it's a nice one. Wow, dude. Dude. Get the net in the water. Oh, dude.
I got him. Hold up. I'll let him come back around now.
I gotta get that. Wow.
Oh. Hold on. He's not ready yet.
Nope. I was waiting. I was trying to sneak it under.
Wow. That guy's nice.
Yeah. He's thick.
Lead him in.
Ryan.
You got him. Oh. Wow, look at that guy. That's a good. Wow. That's cool.
Oh,
that is
sweet.
nice. I haven't seen a pike that size in a long time, man.
This thing.
Oh, that's nice. Man, that's a nice pike.
Big pike. Backwaters in the Mississippi. All right, we're letting her go. Here we go. He's here with his nice pike. Trying to get the whole thing in the picture. There he is, topwater. Wabasha on our trip, catching pike. Third one of today.
Yeah. Buzzbait, right?
There you go. Nice. Right in the mouth like it should be. Right through the nose too. Can't get off that one.
Smallmouth.
Oh damn!
Isn't it?
Yeah, it is a smallmouth.
Nice.
Holy shit!
It's a monster smallmouth. Oh god, yeah, that is a smallmouth?
Yeah.
No, it's a largemouth.
No, it's a smallmouth.
I don't see the brown.
Put it in the skin.
Oh,
Oh baby. Oh baby.
Since it's your biggest one, maybe get him.
The biggest one of your life.
that's not bad.
Nice.
Look at that.
Oh!
It's sideways in his mouth.
Yeah. Oh, sheepers.
Oh, he's bleeding good.
Biggest pike of his life. Awesome.
Yeah, definitely.
Congratulations.
Thanks, guys. Pretty. All right, I'm letting him go since he's not doing it.
Measure him?
I'm gonna let him, since he's bleeding out.
Yeah.
There
There he is. Nice. There you go.
Right.
Sweet.
It actually is. You know they still consider him? Hammer. There you go. Enjoy him.